Summerautoparts, this is Summer. Today, here's something new to share. The two boards on my hand is the new product I'm going to introduce today. What is it used for? Don't walk away, and I'm going to install it right now. Please keep on my channel and to see how to install it. Remove the spare tire, we are going to remove the bracket on the back trunk, and after that we will install our board to this up one and down one. There's total two boards there, so keep my tunnel and check how it's going. Trunk, we can find there comes some holes on the rear trunk, so it's a very ugly look. That's why we designed this plate board to cover it for direct shapes. And how to install it? Here comes six screws with the boards, and when we install it, we can 这样子。There's come some difference of the color of my cars because this is the first bunch for check the fitment, and we already finished the green, white, and brown colors, and the black is almost done, and the blue I'm painting right now. So if you have any interesting or questions or requests, just contact Summerautoparts for more information. We'd like to support it. And if you have any idea to explore the cars accessories, just contact Summerautoparts for cooperation. Okay, thank you very much for your watching, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next week. Bye bye.